So I am here to share what I learned about accessibility in this mission. My 3 key points that I learned is that the web must be accessible to provide equal access and equal opportunity to students with disabilities. This comes from Section 508 of the Americans with Disabilities Act. In order to meet the accessibility needs of such a diverse group of students, as a teacher, I need to be aware of what disabilities my students have, what they're struggling with, and what tools are available for us to use to meet their requirements and help them to learn best. Of the many tools out there, I have often just thought about software in the past, like speech to text or different programs, closed captioning, things like that, but there's so much more to it. There's also disabilities that require a change in hardware, which I never really thought about. Different keyboards, people that can't use the mouses normally, things like that. What I've used is I have a student who has difficulty writing and his guardian actually is visually impaired. So both of them to work together, we use Scribe software that they really like. They have also used speech to text, but we have found that is not as user-friendly as the Scribe software, even though it is Google and they have so much to offer. It's just not the best for us, but I have used those too. And my final and remaining question is, there's so much information out there in reference to this topic. Is it best for me as a teacher to focus on that which is pertinent to the students I have at any given time, or should I try and figure it all out? Thank you.